I'm Sib Khan and you're watching Today Top Story. And today Top Story, it is the Senate election and the Supreme Court verdict. The recently the Senate election took place, in which the PMLN Pakistan Muslim League took the highest vote with the second number. It was Pakistan People's Party on third. It was PTI. If we talk about the statistic, it is that the PMLN took or total, which they have votes in Senate. It's 33. The PMLN on the top. The Pakistan People Party is on the second number, having 20, and PTI on the third, 12, and the other MQM got 4, GUIF got 4. The MQM got 5, the GUIF got 4, ANP got 1, PKMAP 5. The other parties, the independent are the kingmaker, which will, make a majority. That will obviously join a party, and that will make them a the top of Senate. That can give that can give the power to People's Party or to PMLN. So that's the Senate election, which recently took place yesterday. The announcement took place, and what we have on the story is the latest update. So the latest updates are: the Supreme Court halted the nomination of four candidates elected to Senate in Sunday's election for allegedly holding dual citizenship, and sought their details from the ECP Election Commission of Pakistan. Recently, the Chief Justice of Pakistan, Mia Saqib Nisar, told the member of parliament to surrender their citizenship if they have, and now it's all the story on that topic. The three-member bench of Apex Court, headed by Chief Justice Mia Saqib Nisar, had a case relating to dual citizenship of judges and civil servant. The Chief Justice observed that person with dual citizenship would not become member of parliament. The court directed the ACP to halt nomination of Chaudhry Muhammad Sarwar of the PTI and Harun Akhtar. Nushat Sadiq, or it is Sadiq if I'm not wrong, and Sadia Abbasi of PMLN elected to Senate and issued them notices. The court also constituted a six-member committee headed by FIA General Director on the proposal of the Attorney General for scrutinizing the dual citizenship of bureaucrats. The committee will comprise of NADRA Chairman, Immigration, Passport, DG, Internal Ministry, Additional Secretary, Establishment Division, Additional Secretary, and FPR member. During the hearing, the Chief Justice noted that he came to know that some six persons with dual citizenship or nationality had been elected to Senate. The Attorney General told the court that Chaudhry Sarwar, Harun Akhtar, Nushat Sadiq, and Sadia were possessing dual citizenship. The court directed the ECP secretary to halt the nomination of these senators till Apex Court decision. The Chief Justice asked the NADRA chairman what he could do about these individuals who did not disclose their dual citizenship, and when the authority would give its briefing or the provision of faculty to overseas Pakistani for casting their votes in the forthcoming general election. He basically asked two questions about the casting a vote of the overseas Pakistani and the dual citizenship. The court observed that no more time would be granted to NADRA in this regard, as it would have to give right to the overseas Pakistan to cast their vote at any cost. The court asked about the number of people in Nadra having dual citizenship, on which the Nadra said that he had given a deadline till March 8 to Nadra official to give their declaration on the matter, and after receiving it would be submitted in the court. the Chief Justice said that not a single judge of the Supreme Court was having a dual citizenship. Earlier, the Establishment Division Secretary submitted a report wherein it was stated that the number of civil servants holding the dual nationality in Punjab is 64, 5 in Sindh, 18 in KBK, 8 in Balochistan, and 28 in Azad Kashmir, and 1 in Gilgit-Baltistan. The Chief Justice observed that any civil servant found guilty of hiding information about dual citizenship would be removed from his position. He noted that the former SSP Malik Rao Anwar had an Akama, but it was not known whether Akama falls under dual citizenship or not. The Chief Justice sought details pertaining to the officers in the Prime Minister's Secretariat having dual citizenship. He also summoned Secretary to Prime Minister Hassan Fawad for not providing information by 43 Division, and also summoned Secretary of different ministries. The Chief Justice asked the authority to provide details and information regarding CNIC number of all the officers to Nadra, which will then trace it through CNIC. The Code directed the 6-member committee to submit a report about the dual citizenship of officer within 2 weeks, while Nadra was directed to prepare software for scrutinizing the nationality of the officers. The court held that the said software for collecting the data will provide it to the head of the Constitution and Secretariat and adjourn further hearing till March 26th. That's all from our side for today. Have a good day, good evening. Take care. Enjoy life.